In this video, we show 4 improvements. Use the description instead of technical names in file download. Attach source file to the change request at file upload. New upload modes for hierarchy maintenance in file upload. And display of current hierarchy assignments on single object maintenance UIs. My company is working with a profit center group hierarchy for Europe. In the edition for the second quarter of year 2023, it just contains the profit centers Austria, Czech, Germany, and Italy. Due to business requirements in the next edition, the one which is applicable today, 2 profit center groups East and Central have been introduced. The mentioned profit centers have been rearranged under them. In addition, a new profit center Poland has been added to the hierarchy. Our task is to change the profit center group hierarchy. Austria shall be moved to profit center group East, and a new profit center France shall be added to profit center group Central. The changes shall be applicable for the future edition for the fourth quarter of 2023. To prepare these changes, I download the current profit center group hierarchy. In the file download application, there is now an option to use the descriptions instead of technical names for the selected file structure. As a result, in the output file, the corresponding text from the data dictionary are used in the user's logon language. In this comparison, you can see the difference for the same output. Having the required file structure already in place, I can simply change the content later so that it can be used with the new upload mode Move Children. It is one of 3 new upload modes. With the new upload modes Move Children, Replace Nodes, and Remove Edge, there are additional operations possible for hierarchy maintenance. I will quickly summarize them. When using upload mode Move Children, for each uploaded edge file, the system checks whether the child of that edge also exists under different nodes within the same hierarchy and removes it from those. Then this child is placed under the new parent as the last object. The mode Replace Nodes is designed as follows. For each uploaded edge in the file, the system deletes all direct children of the edge's parent node and creates only the children specified in the upload file. The sequence of the children from the file is considered. This mode could also be used to simply change the sequence of nodes without applying other changes. With the Remove Edges mode, for each uploaded edge in the file, the system deletes this edge in the system if it exists. There will be a warning if it does not exist. For this demo, I'm going to use the mode Move Children. Using the current hierarchy data as input, I adjust the file content so that Austria has the new parent East and France has parent Central. I start the file upload application. I make use of a variant. In step 3, I double-check that the upload mode Move Children is chosen. I select the prepared file. There is a new option to attach the source file to the change request once it gets created. You find the file later in the attachments of the change request. I complete the upload process by creating a change request. Let's compare the active and inactive versions of the hierarchy in the hierarchy processing application. The changes which are going to be applied upon change request activation are as intended. Austria shall be moved to Profit Center Group East, and a new Profit Center France shall be added to the Profit Center Group Central. I complete the workflow for the change request. Let's have a look at Profit Center Austria for the improvement to display hierarchy assignments on the single object maintenance UIs for Profit Center and Cost Center. In the UIBB Profit Center assignments in Profit Center Group hierarchies, there is now the possibility to display the assignments for a selected edition. You can choose from all of the editions the Profit Center is assigned in. By default, the current edition is selected. Thanks for watching.